flower's name? Or for rose. Let's spell my name together. R-O-S-E, Rose. Hi kids, I'm Rose, and I'm one of the most famous flowers in the garden. I come in lots of colors like red, pink, white, and yellow. I'm known for my lovely smell and pretty petals. T for tulip. Let's spell my name together. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Hello there, little gardeners. I'm Tulip, and I'm so excited to meet you. I'm a flower that loves to come up in the springtime, and I have beautiful, bright petals. S for sunflower. Let's spell my name together. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R, sunflower. Hey kids, I'm Sunflower, and I'm always happy to see the sun. I have big yellow petals and a big smiley face in the middle. O for orchid. Let's spell my name together. O-R-C-H-I-D. Orchid. Hi everyone, I'm Orchid, and I'm known for being one of the most exotic and beautiful flowers in the world. I come in so many colors and patterns. L for lily. Let's spell my name together. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Hello, friends. I'm Lily, and I'm one of the most graceful flowers in the garden. I have lovely trumpet-shaped blooms that can be white, pink, or even orange. D for daisy. Let's spell my name together. D-A-I-S-Y. Daisy. Hi kids, I'm Daisy, and I'm known for my cheerful and bright appearance. I have a sunny yellow center and white petals that spread out like sunshine. L for lavender. Let's spell my name together. L-A-V-E-N-D-E-R. Lavender. Hello there, I'm Lavender, and I'm famous for my sweet smell and lovely purple flowers. I can make any space feel calm and relaxing. E for cherry blossom. Let's spell my name together. C-H-E-R-R-Y-B-L-O-S-S-O-M. Cherry blossom. Hi kids, I'm Cherry Blossom, and I'm known for my beautiful pink flowers that bloom in the spring. I'm a sign that spring has arrived and that everything is coming back to life. E for peony. You spell my name like this. P-E-O-N-Y. Peony. Hello there. I'm Peony, and I have some of the biggest and most colorful flowers you'll see in a garden. I'm often seen in gardens during the summer, adding beauty to any space. G for geranium. You spell my name like this. G-E-R-A-N-I-U-M, geranium. Hi kids, I'm Geranium, and I come in lots of fun colors like red, pink, and purple. I love to grow in pots and gardens and bring a lot of color to your space.